Hey everyone, this is Freddie from Haunted Hurricane. We are on our way to the Fisher Family Farm event. The girls are excited. You guys ready? Yeah, here we go. Okay, get in the car, head on our way. It's just down the road. Yes, the girls is stoked?
I don't know.
Close enough, yeah! Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. You hear that? You hear it screaming? Did you hear it?
Someone's playing. Oh yeah, someone's playing.
Nice. Heck yeah, we are. If we do this right? Did they? Did you guys go through it? Awesome, huh? What the heck? Intense for them. They got a good look at it. It's not happening. So I'm gonna go check it out and then see how this goes. It looks fun. I'm kind of impressed. It's from the outside. Are you sure you don't want to go?
No.
No? You sure you don't want to go?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I guess I'm going by myself. So the girls are a little intimidated by it. It looks pretty intense. Hi, buddy.
Are you going through it?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Have you done it yet?
Yeah.
You have? How was it?
It wasn't that scary.
Not too bad. How old are you?
10.
10? Okay, cool. Ready?
Is that Freddie?
Yes.
Alright, welcome to hell.
Yeah.
Your name's Freddie?
My name's Freddie, yep. You see Oh, cute. Oh, man.
Don't leave me! Don't leave me!
Oh my gosh, she's falling. Everywhere, there's so many of them here. Yeah. That's awesome. Yes. Woo! That was good. That was good. All right. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very impressed. I had no. I don't know what I was expecting. I talked to Payton about it, and it looked good. I came and checked it out a couple of weeks ago, and it looked good. We talked. We walked through it as he was building it and setting it up, but. Damn, it was good. I actually there's a few moments there where genuinely, I'm 40, and that was pretty freaky. That was good. So, got to give it to him. Good job. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Of course, got to come out, and I think he's just even creepier for me. That's nice. All right, well, here we are. I'm gonna go see if I can find him. Hi, I'm Freddie from Haunted Hurricane, and this is Payton.
What's up, guys?
That was good.
Fisher Family Farm.
Yes. He invited me out here to come check out his little gig. I can't even call it little. I'm impressed, man. I was really, absolutely, actually impressed. There was a few times I was freaking out. I was scared, and then somebody grabbed my ankles. Was that you? God, he grabbed my ankles. It was freaky.
I knew it was him. In the corner.
Yep.
Got him. He ran literally like this. He was like ducking and.
I would call that more of a manly skip.
If that's what that is, hey.
That's what I'm gonna justify it as. All right. Anyways, seriously, my little girls didn't go through it. They took a look at it and said, no way. And that's honestly, I don't blame them. I was actually very impressed. But bring your kids. There's another little guy. He just showed up with me. He was 10 and he was going through it for a second or third time. So do it. Bring them. I was impressed. I was really actually impressed. I haven't been to a haunted house for a minute now.
If the family is used to scary things, the little kids do really well. If your kids are not used to scary things, I would not suggest bringing them through. It is definitely on the verge of rated R, or it is straight rated R.
Yeah, it kind of actually. There was some spot. It was intense. So especially teenagers and stuff like that. Let them know. Come out. Do it. It'd be a good date. Good date night. You know what I'm saying? There we go.
If you want the girl to be pulling on your arm, this is definitely the right place to be.
Or guy.
This
one. That was good. Cool. Well, let's get you guys out here. Come check it out. They'll be opening up when?
Tomorrow night, Saturday, depends on when this gets launched. Tomorrow, Saturday, we have one more preview, and then every Friday and Saturday all through October, and then the 2 Thursdays we have the fall break up north and the fall break down here. We'll be open 20 minutes after dusk until 11 p.m. unless we get so busy, and then we'll bump it back to 11:30 or 12 o'clock.
Awesome. Sounds great, man. I'm excited to share this. I really am. So don't mind the camera thing. I'm still learning how to do this myself. So there we go.
Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Thanks. I'll see you guys.